threading, bleaching, shaving your hair? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Radhika Kopikar, your dermatologist from Kopikar Dermatology Skin Hair Laser Clinic in Mumbai. So the latest technology for laser hair reduction or laser hair removal is the triple wavelength laser. This is a laser which has 3 wavelengths in one. 808 nanometer is the gold standard wavelength for all skin types. 755 nanometer is the specific wavelength used for blonde or fine hair. 1064 nanometer is the specific wavelength used for dark or tan skin. Triple wavelength laser is the latest painless technology invented to remove the unwanted hair from the face or body in males and females. It is great because it treats all skin types and all hair types. It is the next generation of diode laser. Diode laser is known to be the gold standard technology for hair reduction in all skin types. An addition of 2 more wavelengths in it makes it very versatile for acting on different thickness of hair, different depths of hair and different skin colors in a completely pain-free way. In today's day and age, it is the obvious choice for permanent laser hair reduction. It is not only 3 times safer but also 3 times more effective than other normal machines. Who is the ideal candidate for laser hair reduction? Anyone and everyone who wishes to get rid of the hair on their face or their body, irrespective of age or gender, can safely opt for this treatment. When one should avoid doing laser hair reduction? So there are a set of patients and conditions where we are very careful while delivering the treatment. These come under relative contraindications and not absolute contraindications. So we can go ahead with the procedure being very careful and under guidance of a dermatologist. Number 1. Any active infection in the treatment area like herpes simplex, severe acne or cellulitis. Number 2 is presence of a cardiac pacemaker, recent tan in the treatment area, presence of tattoo in the treatment area, photosensitive disorders like SLE, pregnancy and breastfeeding, history of seizures, melanoma, hypertrophic scars or keloids. Why you should do your laser hair reduction at Kopikar Dermatology? We use only the best-in-class approved technologies for the safety of our clients. We have a team of highly experienced and trained doctors and technicians who deliver the best results for your skin and hair. We are using the triple wavelength diode laser, which is best in class to deliver the ideal results in your hair removal journey, results that you desire and you deserve. For any more queries, you may write in the comment section below and we will get in touch with you. I will meet you soon with another informational video for your skin and hair dilemma. Until then, take care, stay beautiful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us.